This is Renita from Teachable Resourceful Learners. Today's teaching tip is going to be about engagement sticks. They're nothing but craft sticks. You can see this one is not painted. This one is painted on both sides and it has a student's name on it. How do these work? You ask a question that has a 1 to 2 word response, such as, what is 7 times 4? What is the capital of Missouri? And you can also ask questions in all disciplines. You pull a stick. I pulled Condre, and Condre has to answer. Then I put it to the side. So that is how I use engagement sticks in my area. That eliminates me having to have students to raise their hand, and everyone has the opportunity to be called upon. Well, how would I use the blank sticks? I will use the blank sticks the same way. However, if you are departmentalized, you can color code your sticks for each class. One could be pink, one could be green, and your last class could be purple, or if you have a fourth class, it could be red. And I keep them in different containers. Or if you wanted to, you could use the same containers and just put a rubber band around them for the other classes, and you can just take the rubber band off when they come. But again, these are engagement sticks, and this is something you can use in your classroom in any grade level, in any level, for your students to have many opportunities to respond. Have a great day. And again, this is Renita from Teachable Resourceful Learners.